Hola bafethu kunjani? Nto zabantu on screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, naniyaza ngihambi ngedwa ngihamba no?
Shepa fethu kunjani kamera mengithini mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one.
Yeah.
Yebo baba.
On today's episode we are looking at Kaizer Chiefs edlala Moses Mabhida namaZulu abafana boSuthu.
Yebo baba.
Yeah. This game will be played. Idlala emini le game?
I'm not sure about time.
Okay, it's fine. But yazi ama-games angenayo ama-consequences. Everyone useyibambela iposition yakhe vele.
No, abanye base-cementa phela bye.
Oh yes, uqinisile. AmaZulu especially they are fighting for that number 4 or to remain at number 4.
Yeah.
Skokune seems to have picked up kwi-form yabo. Kule game le yini expectile mnomzana if nje singayibona
abanye bathi Chile sidlalela ini kanti sidlalela amasweet ke manje thina number 3 way to sorted we're playing to confed.
Yeah,
so I think ukuthi my coach vele mina namanje ngisasho ukuthi angwadingi, but I think in such games it's where mhlambe you can try ezinye izinto ohlulekile ukuyitry all along the season, you know, but at the same time you want to finish nama points amaningi compared to the other seasons angithi basho njalo. So obviously mhlambe I'm expecting if we are building stick kula omadlalo uhlala badlalisa ke mawusaba ke, but if ungasabi you can try something new. For me I feel like we have nothing to lose. Obviously we wouldn't want to lose the game itself, but you can try other combinations, you know, because we're preparing for next season at some point. You have 2 games left and AmaZulu they are playing to cement to number 14 and we're already not going anywhere, so number 3. So I don't expect the team with him. As I say, all out. Okay, Peterson must play because it's fun.
I
You know.
I think he was already cemented this position even lapaya.
Yeah.
To be honest, ngoba angeke ucoach ulinda ukuthi amjudge nga these 2 games. Ucoach njengamanje uhleli nayo yonke preliminary yakhe uhleli ubusy yabo uyacabanga.
Yeah, so you see, if that's the case,
I'm sure some scratch up in the Susa or 4 or rods.
I got to
keep that.
Yeah, so with Kaizer Chiefs, I feel like we don't have to enough chances of playing, you know. Now you don't have a play, like for example, you can look at starting movie guys. You know, you have nothing to lose as such, because this place is complaining, so why bangam pressure. I don't feel like we have pressure right now. I keep pressure now. There's nothing else to change number 3 with. Just play these boys, give them chance, give them more minutes, you know. Even those which is against the team Atazwan. Omnandi na your technical. So vele kumele simthinte na thinteke yabo, but we can keep these boys to well
mhlambe because there is not much you are playing for. Let's reflect on the season. Yabo, the season you started like a house on fire, and then you dipped, and then wabuya wakhuphuka futhi. Now you are looking constant, yabo. But in all those ups and downs, you managed to finish 3rd, which is an achievement if you look back last season where you finished 9th, or in the past 2 seasons you finished outside of the top 8. Mhlawumbe must reflect ku season. Sikhuluma ngezinto mhlawumbe obonayo. I know you talked about the coaches, which is a big talking point kahle kahle. Kodwa ke if nje singabuka, look back and understand, because ngeke kube konke negative. There are things that are positive. What are positives that you would take out of this experience and this season?
I think as much as it's mean, I'm a coach but we can't shy away with these guys have actually did a amazing job compared to the other seasons that we had. So these guys did something good, even though the only problem in Kalanga most of the time they were not consistent in their starting 11, and I think that was killing the team, you know. And then when Master at the season Maubuga now, but saying that if it's changed, they change 1 player because we injured or suspension. We were not changing the entire team. Yes, you know.
But the basis maybe.
So when they started, we changed 5. Next game, change 6. You know. we were not sure what was happening. We didn't even know who's gonna play, who's not gonna play.
Yeah.
We were just gonna see what is starting. So I think they were starting to get their starting 11, Sibekren, and then obviously maybe coaching was starting to happen or motivations to the players. Because the attitude yebadlali nayo bosuyibona ishintshile man. You know, but even though it was late, but bese ishintshile with no man.
Yeah.
You can see these players wanna play for Kaizer Chiefs, you know. Even though some vele kumele bathi get.
Yeah.
But I feel like we didn't have a bad season as such. It's better compared to all the seasons. We just need a coach, a solid, a solid temp. Okay, even if Chiefs can decide if they want to keep these guys, they can even say one of them have a head coach. The Chiefs is the way you call.
Would you be happy with
No,
that decision?
no. Me, you need a proper coach to coach my FC.
Okay, yazi khona yabo njengoba ukuthi I need a proper coach. Khona umcabango ongifikelayo. Ngizowusho ngesizulu. Ukuthi do you know what you want? Ake sikhulume not ngo-coach because u-coach mhlawumbe uzobuka iprofile yakhe kuyima ukwazi ukujudge, but emqondweni we-Kaizer Chiefs wena as a supporter ye-Kaizer Chiefs, do you know what you want?
Yes.
In terms of football that you want Kaizer Chiefs to play, yeah.
Yes, I know.
Okay, what do you want?
Yeah, but in Kaizer Chiefs, even this season, the footballers not bayidlala ngeke ngabekho consistent.
What is that football ofuna bayidlala?
Bakhulu uyabona mawushaya ama-transition aproper bayakwenza. Mabafuna banesikhathi and holding the ball bayakwazi. Ukudlala baphasane kahle bayakwazi.
But you are not clear. Even the Magesi go back to the Pirates. It's not like they couldn't pass the ball. I'm making an
no, man, passing, creating spaces for each other, able to make passes in my pockets.
No. That's not an identity, Rams. Identity. About the transition. About identity. It's because it transition. It's because it can be an identity. You count a team night, team at the Sundowns. Yeah, TS, they were playing a transition football. You could tell they are not willing to commit, but when they get the ball, that's an identity. Office was one eye. But passing around, everyone will pass the ball.
No, Pella, it at some point we were unable to even complete my passes out of you. We couldn't build from the back. And all those things, they are slowly coming all right. But I don't believe these coaches are the right one.
I would conclude with Anias and the
Oh yeah, that's full of a coach.
And
another thing that we cannot just say one coaches only. Obviously, there are players that I feel like they've hit the ceiling for Kaizer Chiefs. Ogani, they came to Kaizer Chiefs, Seba Pele, that thing. So some players need to be released. We also need to add quality.
That is given.
Yes.
This is the nature. There are players who need to be released. Yes.
Exactly.
Yes. Yeah. Ukuthi ngangikubuza lo mbuzo lo ukuthi which ones do you think you
but
want?
I did mention
do you have any new ones?
Any new ones I did tell you ukuthi if mbuka South Africa ngifuna bani.
No, I'm saying to add into that list ubuzo ibale, do you have any new?
Nah, let's not include any new players, my guy.
It's only your ambition. But when you are not a Chiefs owner, at least the Chiefs owner would feel like they are abusing ilungelo lomdlalo or something. When you are just a fan, there is nothing ongathi consequence kuwena. You are just saying your wish.
I did mention that.
Yeah, you did mention are there any new ones? Because it's only those players. And it's even worse, the players that you are counting, it's the players that are shining right now. So it means that the competition value from the big teams as well. So would you have other names?
I don't have.
Okay.
I don't have.
But tell us, which players do you think Kaizer Chiefs needs to beef up their squad? And also, even you can name drop a coach that you wish can join. I know what you are ambitious, but be far-fetched. Yes. There are things that you see. Yes, this one it's hard to happen. Because this is a multi. Sibon with the possibilities. Jose Mourinho akazocoach i-Kaizer Chiefs. That's far-fetched. I'm just making an example. Tell us on the
But
comments.
you can say your Maccabi must come coach Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, into kanjalo. Those are realistic
I'm not saying for
examples.
Maccabi.
Those are realistic examples. Yeah, perfect. See you on another one.